So somebody is thinking, are there compound words in Nigerian Pidgin English? Okay, what are you saying? Of course they are now. Don't forget, Pidgin English is a language on its own with rules, just like standard English. Forget what your teacher told you in secondary school. I'm just going to give you an example of just one. The word we will be dealing with is called see finish. Please, I beg you, listen to me carefully because you're about to find out something very interesting. The word see finish is a compound noun. What does it mean? Well, basically, in standard English, it's like saying over familiarity or being overly familiar. Now, this is where it gets interesting. See finish is a compound noun that is made up of two standard English verbs. I know it's getting a bit confusing, but work with me. In standard English, see, verb, finish, verb. Both of them are action words. But when you join them together and make see finish, it becomes a compound noun. Now, see finish with that. As I say compound words now, some of you have said, hey, wait. No, it's simple. Compound words are words that are made up of two words. Maybe two or more anyways. But yeah, two words. Simple. You know how to read that now. And this is not the most fun thing about the phrase see finish. The sweetest thing is that the English interpretation of the word see finish does not even hold as much water as the pidgin one. In English, over familiarity or familiarity means to disrespect someone because you know them. But in pidgin English, see finish means that you've seen everything. You've seen the totality of someone that they become worthless. Ha! So if somebody says now see finish, or someone says you don't see me finish, it means I have now become nothing to you. I have become utterly worthless because of how close you are to me. Something that has been seen and used and abused in different ways. That's what see finish is. Now, when you want to use see finish as a verb, it follows the same structure that compound words follow. For instance, set up. This is a setup, but you don't go, you are set-upping me. You say you are setting me up. So same thing. Now, see finish with that. Then you say, you don't see me finish. All right? You have to put a word in between. In don't see you finish. You don't see me finish. So if somebody tells you that, I don't blame you now. Now see finish. That's the noun. But if it's a verb, you have to say, I don't blame you. You don't see me finish. Okay. Now there are other compound words in pidgin English. Bad belle, two words into one, which means jealousy or a jealous person, depending. Now bad belle they do you. That means you are being jealous or you are being envious. And that one is side chick. And that one is wahala day. They are countless, but let's just talk about this one first. So I hope you've learned something. Okay. If you like this kind of content, the best way if you do for me, when not be see finish, now make sure say you share and make other people for see. How do I say see if you don't share? Anyways, till we see again.